Let's check all of the accessories that Xiaomi Smart Band 9 Pro comes with. And the first thing is the Smart Band. I've already removed it from the box, but all of the accessories are still inside, except of course the straps. And this device comes with two straps that you can connect from left and the right side. And now let's focus on that box and check what else we get with it. So I'll be opening it from the top side, just like that. Then there's the cardboard with all of the stuff and warranties and instructions. And everything is out except, as I said, instructions and the warranties. So the only additional accessories that comes with the band is the charging cable. As you don't get any charging cube or anything like that, you only have the straps, device itself, and the cable, and that is basically everything.